Realme launched its new mid-range phone under Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo Power, with a massive next-generation silicon carbon battery. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo Power features a tall 6.8-inch 1.5K resolution 4D Curve Plus Hyperglow AMOLED display, with up to 144Hz refresh rate and up to 6500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 10GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Realme Narzo Power 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 10,001 mAh battery, with 80 watts ultra charging support, and 27 watts reverse fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16, based on Realme UI 7.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.26 by 76.15 by 9.08 millimeters, and it weighs around 219 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo Power 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 25,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 10th in trans silver and trans blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo Power 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.